Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add a timer on Google Forms. You need to add a timer to a Google Form. By default, Google Forms doesn't include a built-in timer, but you can add one using an add-on. Open your form, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Get Add-ons, in the search box, type Timer, and choose a timer add-on with good ratings, such as Timer for Google Forms. Install the add-on and grant the required permissions. Once installed, you see an add-ons icon appear in Google Forms. Click it, open the timer add-on, and access its settings. From there, you can set the duration you want, such as 30 minutes, and enable the timer for your form. After saving the settings, use the preview option to test the form and confirm that the countdown timer appears correctly. This is especially useful for quizzes, exams, and time surveys where respondents need to finish within a specific amount of time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.